Hello, today I want to show you the latest update of Whisk AI, which recently now moved to the Flow AI. So I want to show you how to basically access it. So the first thing you need to simply search here Whisk AI. As you notice that the Whisk AI is the official AI by the Google. So here you can create a lot of things like videos and images. So at the top you notice that I have just searched Whisk AI, and at the top you notice that there is the official website of Google Labs. Here you have to simply go to the Whisk Labs, and now here once you open up the Whisk AI, so you notice that now it shows a little message box, welcome to the flow and thank you for being a Whisk user. So I am basically accessing the Whisk. So here you notice say the dialog box, welcome to the flow, thank you for being a Whisk user. So I want to use here Whisk, but you notice that it shows a message, image and video generation have moved to the flow. So in a previous time you can easily access the Whisk site, and with the help of this AI you can easily generate the high quality images and videos. But right now this service moved to the flow, that's why you need to have access of Google Flow's AI. So here if you want to set up it, you need to simply tap on get started with the flow. Here you can create a lot of things like images and videos. So if you want to generate an image, you need to simply tap on new project, and here in this project you can easily generate the content. So I want to just create the image with the help of this prompt. So I have just show you guys how it works. So I want to generate an image with the help of flow, because Whisk is now moved to the flow. So here you can use all the same features like generating videos and images. So now these services are moved to the flow. So here you know the state, I have successfully generated a high quality image of moss rose flower. So by using this method you can easily update your Whisk experience to the flow. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.